Hi love, welcome to day 10 of Rise of the Magnetic Woman. Before we dive in, did you complete yesterday's practice on pleasure as a portal to abundance? If not, pause here and return to it first. Because unless you allow yourself to feel good, receiving will always feel unsafe. And as I keep reminding you, manifestation isn't about rituals that don't touch your body. It's about becoming the woman whose energy is so open and safe that she can receive without resistance. And that's what today's topic is about. Receiving without guilt. Let's first understand why we feel guilty receiving. So many women I've worked with, including myself in the past, say things like, I feel bad when my partner gives me attention. When I was newly married and my husband used to come and sit next to me, that's exactly how I felt. Guilty that he's spending time with me instead of, doing something, either spending time with his parents or with our children. Another statement that we keep saying is, I feel selfish spending money on myself. Or, I feel uncomfortable accepting compliments. How many of us have brushed off compliments saying, if someone compliments us on our dress, we say things like, this is very old. Or, I just bought it from Shein. So this guilt comes from conditioning, because we have been taught that a good woman sacrifices. We have been taught that love must be earned. We have been taught that rest, money, pleasure are luxuries. They are not our birthright. So when abundance finally comes to us, whether it's love, support or money, we block it. We deflect it, or we overgive in return. So now let's see why receiving is essential to manifestation. Here's the simple truth. You can't manifest what you don't feel safe to receive. If love arrives and you push it away, if money flows in but you feel guilty spending it, if help is offered but you say, no, I'll manage, then what does it say about your energy? Your energy says, I don't trust myself to hold this. Receiving is not passive. It's an active, magnetic skill. It tells the universe, I am ready. I am open to receive. I am worthy. Let me give you a simple example. Think about the last time someone gave you a compliment. Did you smile and accept it, or brush it off with, this whole thing? That tiny moment shows whether you have mastered receiving or whether guilt is blocking your abundance. Most of us now know, not to add anything to the thank you when we receive a compliment. But does it truly come from your body, or are you just stopping at thank you while you feel guilty inside? Check that thought also. Now let's look at the day 10 practice, the receiving ritual. Today, practice saying yes. When someone compliments you, simply say, thank you, I received that. I remember one time when I sent someone money and they sent me a reply saying that, thank you, I received this with gratitude. It made me feel so good. So, when someone gives you a compliment, say thank you, I receive it. When someone offers help, say yes instead of brushing it off. Then in your journal, write, one thing I received today was, and fill in the blank. Next, how it felt in my body to receive it. Write that feeling. And then, when you are done with this, at night, place your hand on your heart and whisper, It's safe for me to receive. This particular sentence, the universe sees it and knows that now you are ready to receive. So keep reiterating to yourself that it is safe for me to receive. My love, your magnetism grows every time you allow yourself to receive without guilt. Because receiving says, I trust myself, I trust life, I trust the universe. If this video resonated with you, please comment below with something you allowed yourself to receive today. Like this video and share it with a woman who struggles to receive. Tomorrow we'll go deeper into embodying abundance, not as a goal, but as your natural state. You are rising beautifully, my love. Keep going.